Welcome to online classes. I am in the third recording. We'll start the explanation from page number 23, the remaining part of the story, The Wooden Horse. Unit 2 from English course book. Before explanation from the remaining part in this recording, I will refer some sentences as a continuation. At once, a great argument broke out among the Trojans as what should be done with the horse. Some wanted to take it inside the city, some wanted to fling it into the sea. It was decided to take the wooden horse into Troy. They dragged it across the plain, but when they reached the gate of the city, the horse proved too big to enter by it. It was from the last explanation. Now I will go from the books, the remaining part of page number 23. The Trojans pulled down a section of the wall and brought it into the middle of Troy. The Trojans knocked down a part of the city wall and transported into the center of the Troy. Explanation 2. The Trojans demolished a part of the city wall and taken the great wooden horse into the midst of the Troy city. Explanation 3. The Trojans dropped down a section of the wall of the Troy city and dragged the wooden horse into the middle of the Troy city. Now from the book. Night fell and the Trojans feasted in their joy that the great war was over and the Greeks had gone. There was night. Explanation 1. There was night. The Trojans dined in their joy that they won the great war against the Greeks. Explanation 2. When there was night, the Trojans entertained a superb dinner together as they were very happy to overcome the Greeks and won the great war. Explanation number 3. When the night fell in Troy city, the Trojans were delighted and arranged a grand dinner because they realized that they achieved a great war and that is already over, and finally the Greeks left the Troy city. It is the end of third lecture.